Hello everyone! Today I will talk about an event that takes place intermittently throughout the summer in Atlanta, Alfreda. This event is called Art in the Park. It's a very enjoyable event where local artists exhibit their works and offer them for sale. We joined it as a Lorry Art and Design and we met so many sweet people. I even bought a few orders. I designed the large version of the Pill series for Lizzie. And I wanted to share the construction pace with you. I prepare my paints and create the background. I especially wanted to show the brush strokes and I created it with tones. And then I made small touches with their own tones with a spatula. I glued and painted the plastic pieces I had prepared before. The golden color makes a very nice effect. And it finished. Thank you for taking the time to watch.